Every fall, when the air turns cold and the nights grow longer, we make one last trip to our lake, Eagle Lake, to pack our camp at Partridge Point. Those who follow our channel know this beautiful piece of property well. It's where we've spent countless summer days swimming, fishing, and building memories as a family. But the same day we close up the camp and begin our drive west toward home in Manitoba, we make one more stop, still in Ontario, in the district of Kenora, the same district as our lake. Our destination is Lake of the Woods, near the small community of Nestor Falls. We've been coming here with a few breaks for nearly 18 years. It's become our tradition, a stop we look forward to after the busy summer season at Eagle Lake. Our oldest learned to walk on the porch of one of these small resort cabins. Every dog, every pine, and
Yeah,
every
that's
ripple
fine,
on the
eh?
water holds a piece of our
Whoa, you
story.
okay? See, he's got his jaws there, eh?
We arrived here late last night. It was already dark, so we didn't get a chance to put Frankie, our boat, into the water. That's the first thing we need to do this bright early morning, along with picking up some minnows from the nearby bait and tackle shop. Bite me! The weather looks pretty good for fall. They're calling for heavy winds and some rain, but also a bit of a sunshine. We'll take any of it. The good news is there's no snowflakes in the forecast yet. This trip is all about fishing, and there is a special reason we come here. Lake of the Woods have a fish our own lake doesn't, the black crappie. It's a favorite for our winter fish fry back home. So each year before the snow comes, we stop here to catch a few and fill the freezer. It's a simple tradition, one that keeps the taste of summer alive through the long Manitoba winter. In the marina, you can see a beauty like this with the 250 at the back. This is a lantai. Or you can also see this. But hey, I will do this one too. I'll look at some fish.
Okay, keys are in the ignition. I just had to double check that.
Well, I'll see you in a few minutes.
I need to grab charging cable out of there for the phone. Put this back.
Oh, it's gonna be windy.
Oh, it's another day, another dollar. Some people say, and I have to agree, that there's no such thing as a bad day on the water.
Lake of the Woods is one of the Great Lakes of northwestern Ontario, a vast maze of islands and bays that stretches across the border in Manitoba and Minnesota. It was carved by glaciers thousands of years ago and today offers more than 14,000 islands and one of the longest shorelines in Canada. Just north of Nestor Falls lies Sioux Narrows, where the lake's many bays come together, a place rich in history and natural beauty. Together, these communities capture the heart of northwestern Ontario: wilderness, water, and tradition.
There's some crappies here.
First keeper for me. That is a beauty. Can I see it?
You can. There we are, eh? Nice little guy there.
Mm-hmm.
Got some slugs on him here. Let's see. Get a measure here. He's very well behaved.
Oh yeah, I like those. Zoe the assistant.
And we are too long.
Aw.
Hi, Greg. How are you doing? Keeper size on this.
Good size, he says. Guess who got two keepers? Me. All right. Where'd the towel go? I guess
Towel
you're
go.
on the list at the top.
Oh, here we are.
Oh, he didn't even have his
Small one.
rod in the hand. Oh, but what is this? Chicken nugget.
Chicky nuggy, and do you steal my minnow?
No.
No, I get to keep my minnow at least.
Oh my god. And he was like moving everywhere. Take him out.
Oh, let's watch the spikies.
Yeah, I got it.
Down, and then
I get to keep
the minnow looks very surprised here. Look how surprised that minnow looks. I think his eyes. Yeah, here's that up again.
Look who's there. A bald eagle.
You are on.
Good size.
He's nice.
Yeah.
Love his colors.
That's number 3.
Not too shabby.
Good. Fun.
Catch. That's catch.
Another one. Oh, yeah. A good slot size one, eh, honey?
Mm-hmm.
And I got to keep the minnow. Like that. Those things are a valuable commodity at Lake of the Woods at Nestor Falls at this time of year for some reason.
Yeah. Can I see it, Grant? Oh, it's already gone.
The what? Minnow or the fish?
The fish.
Fish is gone now, yeah.
Okay. All right.
I don't know where it went. Just disappeared.
This guy.
Oh, that's a good one, Lizzie. Nice fish.
I get to keep my minnow as well. If only I could get it off. You need help? Just a little stuck. I'm gonna lose.
But I think it's little. Yeah,
Baby.
just a little baby. Oh, and he just hit my minnow. What a jerk. He's like, yeah, I know you're throwing me back, buddy. So
I want the food. I want the
I've
compensation.
given myself, you know,
Compensation.
compensation for my efforts.
Look at him. Yeah. He's a big guy.
Aw, that was nice.
Got the rock there, right?
Yeah, that's
So then Walleye Alley is up to the left.
That's right. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time right here on Dalilu Adventures. Until then, stay grounded, stay grateful, and enjoy the little things.